Hey guys, so this video is going to be covering mass move-ups, how to go about creating the list, and then how to go about making sure they're completed, and the processes between that. So to start off with, as everybody must know by now, mass move-ups do run by our 3, 6, and 9 rule, meaning entry to intermediate is 3 months, intermediate to advanced would be 6 months, and then advanced to elite is 9 months. What that means is that once a student is in a class for either the 3, 6, or 9 months, and they've completed that allotted time frame, they'll be moved up to the next level, which is pretty much the road to get them onto our team. So to start off with, Office is in charge of creating the list and making sure that it does get executed. So what we'll do is we'll come to iClass and we'll select the Classes tab right here. I already have it open, so from that point on, we're going to go to Levels. I'm going to start with an entry level just to kind of show how the rules work. So we'll pick Entry Girls Gymnastics, and that's going to change this to just show me all Entry Girls classes. I'm actually going to start from the bottom up. So what we're looking for is anyone who's been in this class for longer than 3 months, meaning that they've been in here either from January 23rd or before, since today is April 23rd. So once we open this class, I can see the students in the class and their dates that they started right here. So for example, Alessandra Montoya, she just hit her 3 months, so we're going to add her onto the list. So what we'll do is we'll come to our Mass Move Up Excel sheet, and we're going to type in her name, Alessandra Montoya. We're going to get the coach's name. The coach is Marianne, and the class is Tuesday at 6:30. Right here, level would be the level she's going into. So because she's already in entry, that would mean she's moving into intermediate. And that's it. For this right here, that would complete how you'd go about adding her onto the list. So let's try one more class just to make sure that we understand. So I'm going to go to the Monday 6:30. I'm going to press on the little green group of students. And then I'm going to go through this list just checking to see if anybody in this class has been enrolled either on or before January 23rd. I don't see anybody. The soonest I have would be February, but that's still not enough time, so that class is good. We're going to move up to the Wednesday 6:30 class, and same thing. We're going to go through the list and see if anybody's been in here for longer. I don't see anybody in this one, so that class as well is just fine. As far as the Wednesday 5:30, I do have one that's been in the class since October of 2018, so she definitely needs a mass move up to be done. So that's who we're going to write in next. It's Dania Carrillo. So we're going to open up our Excel sheet, type in Dania Carrillo, the coach's name that she's with, which is Victoria, on Wednesdays at 5:30. So we're going to put Victoria, Wednesday, 5:30, and she is also moving up into enter because she's already in entry. So that would be the 3 months rule. Now as far as 6 months rule, we're going to open it up to the intermediate level. So I'm going to switch this level right here to being intermediate so that I can have all the intermediate classes load up. And then once those are on the screen, we're going to start, this one I'm going to start at the top. So now I'm looking for anybody that's been in classes since October 23rd or before, which should be 6 months prior from today. In this class, I do have Alexandra Trejo. She's been in the class since June, so she can definitely get moved up. So the same thing will apply. We'll write her first name, Alexandra Trejo. Her coach is Shandia on Friday at 4:30. So we'll write in here Shandia, Friday, 4:30, and she is moving to advanced because she's already in intermediate. So the next level up would be advanced, and then just to get some more practice in, we'll do the next level. That would be intermediate, Friday, 5:30. She has only been in the class since March, so she's okay to stay there. For the next one, Saturday at 12, we're going to go through the list and look for anybody who's been here since before October 23rd. I only have one, which is Genesis Dominguez. So she's going to be the next one we add onto our list. So right here, we're going to write Genesis Dominguez. Her coach was Coach Jocelyn. And her class was Saturdays at 12. And the same thing, we're going to write in advanced right here because she's already in intermediate and she's moving up into advanced. And then once we start on the advanced level, we would be counting 9 months. So that would mean that from today's date, we would pretty much start anywhere from July 23rd and prior to that, meaning they would get moved up into our elite level. So instead right here, instead of advanced or inter, we would write elite. Now, what needs to be done after this list has been created is each day as attendance is getting printed, this student's name should be highlighted with a note on the side that says move to and the level that they're going to. So that the coaches have this on their attendance, so when the student comes in, they know they need to move them up to the next level. Once the coach receives that notice, in the lobby, they'll do the move up presentation, and parents will stop by the front desk to complete that move up as far as like changing classes if they need to, or ACHs or whatever else has to be done. Aside from this, the mass move up does definitely have to get done and have to be tracked. So as you're completing girls or they are getting moved up, you can simply go just one by one and kind of highlight them off so that management can easily check the list and see who's on there, if anybody's missing or anything along the lines of that.